Thank you for joining me today on Christine's Awesome Things. My name is Christine, and today I am going to share a recipe with you that I got from an older woman. She's about in her 80s, and she got the recipe from her mother. So this recipe has been around for a long time. In fact, when she gave me the recipe, the paper was very yellow, very old, and I had to go and rewrite the recipe. And it's been around for a very long time. She said that she was taking it when she was a kid. Okay. When I received this recipe, kind of looked familiar, and the name of it was like, where have I seen this name from? So I went and looked it up, and I found that it is on some websites. So it is a recipe that people have been using for a very long time. And today I'm going to share it with you. And it is called Nature's Penicillin. It is an all-natural drink, and it will help with energy and help fight off colds and bacteria. And it has a lot of beneficial vitamins for you. This drink is a little bit bitter, but it is very, very good for you. So I am going to go ahead and show you how to make this recipe. So the first thing it is about this recipe is there's different things you want to add to it. First of all, one of the things you want to add is a grapefruit. I personally would use ruby red grapefruit because it is sweeter. You want to also use an orange. I'm adding an orange and a tangerine because a tangerine is a little bit sweeter. It also requires you to have a lemon, a half an onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. I know, right? Weird, okay? But yes, that is the ingredient. And you're going to need a blender for this. And you're going to blend that all together, and with a little bit of water in it, you know, because once you start blending it, it'll be thick. So you want to add a little bit of water. Another thing that she told me that you want to do is, from each of the fruits, take a little bit of the peel from each fruit and add it to the fruit that you're blending, because the peel has the majority of the vitamins in it. I am using a juicer. This juicer that I have will extract the juice, and also it extracts it to the point where the pulp and peel is practically dry. So after I juice it, I'm going to add my peel to my drink. So I'm going to go ahead and add my fruits and vegetables. And I'm going to, because I'm using a juicer, and I recommend this if you're using a blender, because the blades are at the bottom of a blender, add your peel to the bottom, and the garlic, so that the garlic will chop up more. And because I'm using a juicer, I don't have to add all my peel to the bottom. And I'm going to add my onion next. That way my fruit will just push that down in there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It's a little bit loud, but it extracts everything. Again, didn't have this set up right. Okay, there we go. right, so I'm going to show you. See, this is all my pulp down here, and here is my actual juice. So I am going to take my juice and transfer it into something bigger, and then I am going to add some of that peel and pulp to my juice. And you will find this recipe in my description box at the bottom, so don't worry, everything that I added today will be in there. So it is not bad to just give it a try and see how it works for you. And I wanted to mention that after you've juiced everything, the last ingredient is to add 3 drops of peppermint extract. So I've added that to it, and this is actually my first time trying this. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I am going to go ahead and give this a try and see how it tastes. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and do it now to let you all. Alright, so go ahead and try this. I have not added the peel. Now remember, this got onions and garlic in it too, so. Actually, it's not at all bad. Oh, it's actually lemon in there too. A whole lemon in there. So, grapefruit, orange, lemon, garlic, peppermint oil, grapefruit. And I've also found out that some of the other recipes is exactly what I've added today, but they added a little extra, like turmeric and grated ginger to this drink. Again, it's called Nature's Penicillin. It's a little bit bitter without the peel to it, and I'm sure that's because of the grapefruit, and it's not really sweet. And adding the peppermint to it, the peppermint extract, I think it actually makes it taste better. And I can tell you what, it definitely opens up the nose and everything. So yeah, give it a try. It is not that bad, and you can use it to give to children too. That's another good thing about this. You can give it to your children, and it's supposed to prevent you from getting sick. She said that she's never been sick since taking this, so give it a try. One of the reasons why I made this is because, you know, first cough come on, I'm trying everything. Anyway, give it a try. Like and subscribe. Support me. Tell me what you think of it. These ingredients are very easy to find. If you find something that makes it sweeter, that has some type of vitamins to it, leave a comment, okay? I'm not sure if grapes would work, or if it has any like benefits or vitamins that's different from what's in the drink. But if you find a fruit that has a different vitamin from what's in this drink, and it'll make it a little sweeter or taste better, and you actually made it and tasted it yourself, put it in the comment section, okay? Because I am going to try this, keep drinking this for a while. It's not that bad, but I want to find a way to make it sweeter, but I don't want to be wasting a bunch of fruits trying to figure it out. So that's it. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos, and I'll see you again.